Interesting electric scooter, isinwheel GT1. One of the more interesting things that I found during the test is that by default, the cruise control is automatically turned on. So if you hold the throttle switch for a few seconds, you can release it and it will still go at that specific set speed. So you don't have to constantly hold it down all the time. You can release it. But you can also, in the settings, disable cruise control. So then you have to always hold the throttle switch. And the throttle switch is a binary one, not an analog. So you can hold it or release it. You are speeding up or slowing down, and everything was working really well on the test. As you could clearly see in the dense forest on a very bumpy and rugged road, it was absolutely not a problem to ride it. It has a lot of power, so you will find that power is never going to be an issue. And you could easily select the exact speed that you want to ride with, and you can simply hold the throttle switch or hold it for a short while and turn on the cruise control. Then you are just riding along with the selected speed until you press the brakes or you press the throttle switch once again, and then the cruise control automatically turns off. So, a good, powerful electric scooter. You can find more information about it in the links in the description. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.